Hello, in this video you'll learn how to make a dotted halftone effect in Photoshop. I will be working with this image that I specially selected in black and white tones, but it needs more saturation. For this purpose, I click on the adjustment panel and add levels. I want the white color to be more pronounced, approximately like this. Next step, I add solid color and choose a gray color. Then go to Filter. Filter Gallery. In the window that appears, click Convert to Smart Object. Find Sketch folder. Halftone pattern in the filters. In the pattern type field, select dot. For my image, I chose the maximum size and a contrast of 25. Click OK. For the resulting layer, set the blend mode to hard mix. If needed, you can always revisit the levels layer and make additional corrections. And that's it, the dotted halftone effect is done. If you want more helpful Photoshop tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next ones. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.